Hey Cindy, I thought it might be quicker just to send you a little video and walk you through what to do. So when you're on your main page, you want to click on the folder up here, Round Rock ISD, and click on iRead, and it will take you to a place where it's got login information. Click here to log in. Oh, and it didn't take me to the login page because I had just done this and taped it and the microphone wasn't on, so that didn't work very well. But basically then on the login page I typed in E and your number, and then the password was E and your number with a capital letter A at the end of it. So then that will take you right to here. Actually, I can show you. So here's the login page, so I'm going to enter E and then E with the capital letter A at the end. Okay, and it takes you here, and I know you're not Doris, I don't know what's up with that. But you want to click on SAM Central, and it will take you to the dashboard. There's a few things you can look at here. Everything that I've been looking at, I clicked on the plan button down here, and then it normally takes you to a different page, but what it's on right now is Groupinator. So over here in the toolkit, when I click on Groupinator, it's got all the kiddos, and what I can do is group them automatically by what they're working on. And so these kiddos are all working on the same kind of thing on those letters, and then so on. So it's kind of groups that you could use to do small groups or reteach or whatever if you need to. I'm going to leave them not grouped though. So then if you come in to browse the lessons, that's where you can see kind of what they're doing and what they're learning and working on. The other thing is from here, when you've got all the kiddos, you can click on a kiddo and see where they're working at. So this kiddo's at level A, which is kinder, and then level B is first and C is second, and it says that right down here. But basically it shows what lessons they're doing, what they were successful with and what they weren't, and all that. And you can click around and see like the different things that they've done, so you know where they're working. And this little person means that's what they're working on right now. The other big thing that I found helpful was class analytics over here, and click on growth. And this is all of y'all's kiddos in order of how they're performing. And so the black line is where they placed in the screener. And again, it shows level A kinder first, and second is level C. So by the end of the year, this is their goal, to get to the end of second grade. So you can see who's close, who's not, what they're working on. The exclamation mark tells their deferred topics, so I'm thinking that's something that they were having trouble with, which is why it was deferred, but I don't really know. I haven't seen a description of that anywhere. And again, from here you can click on any kiddo to see what they're struggling with, and their key is pretty descriptive. So that's a brief overview. And yeah, so if you have any other specific questions, let me know, but I hope you have fun looking at data, and you can give your username, I guess, to your team is how that will have to work, or you could look at data for them. That doesn't sound great. Hope you have a great evening.